What's up, ballroom dancers? Alexey is here, and welcome to another episode of Ballroom with Alexey. So, if you are constantly looking for new ways to improve your ballroom dancing, you are in the right place. So, every Thursday, I'm posting a new tutorial on ballroom dancing, and today I'm going to break down the MOOCH in the Jive. So, without any further ado, let's just jump into the exercise. Wow! This tutorial is going to be a very unique tutorial, so we might need a couple props. So first prop is the water, and the second prop is the paper towels. Alright guys, I will put it right here, and I think pretty soon I'm gonna need it. Alright, so we'll start by dancing our the MOOCH slow with my counts first. Alright? Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Alrighty. I'm already out of breath. Okay, let's keep going. So let's break down the MOOCH, and actually let's start with the most fun part, with the actual kicking part, which is actually a flicking part. So let's see. Let's do that slow first. So we're going to have to move our knee up and then point down into the floor. So we're going to go up, down, up, together, right? And again, one more time. So look, I'm lifting my knee up, shooting down, then going back through the same direction. So I'm going back up and collect my feet and replacing my weight. One more time. Up, down, up, together, up, down, up, together. Up, down, up, together, up, down, together. Ta, 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 ta. Right? This kind of needle action. Very sharp shot. So we're kind of shooting down into the floor, right? So let's see. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you see, I'm right now not doing any hopping action, so I'm keeping my standing knee pretty straight. Yes, and entire work is happening with the free foot, yes? So every time I'm doing the point, I'm really engaging my entire leg, right? So my cuffs are engaged, and my toe is very, very, very pointed, yes? So make sure that it's not relaxed, yes? So make sure that you kind of engaging your feet to point into the floor, and really think about the needle, right? Like tattoo machine or like a shot. Okay, so let's do that in our figure in the MOOCH. So we're going to go rock, step, and kick together, rock, step, triple step, and rock, step, and kick together, rock, step, triple step. So rock, step, and the triple step part is exactly the same like you see, I already need a napkin. That's crazy. That's Jive, and it's crazy. All right, so triple step and the rock step is exactly the same way. We're doing it the same way like in the regular basic step, right? If you haven't seen my video on the basic step, I'm leaving it in the description below, all right? So check it out. So let's see how we can add a hopping action into our flicking part, right? So it's totally okay to do it on a straight knee, yes, without any hops. And chick-gibim, ba-bim, ba-bam, ba-pim, bam, tiggy-da. But it's totally okay to do it with the hops. So let's see how we can add hops into this part. Okay, I don't need this, and I need this. Quick dehydration, opposite, quick hydration. All right, so let's see. What is hops? So every time I'm lifting my knee up, I'm going to go up on the releve, right? So look, releve is basically movement of my foot like this. Yeah? So, and every time I'm going into the floor with the point, I'm softening my standing knee. And then I'm going through the same direction. Up, down, up, soft knee, up, down, up, soft knee, up, down, right? And of course, with the speed, when I'm moving up, it is totally possible to create a little jump, right? A little that hopping action. So let's see how it goes. So up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, shot, up, cha, 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 shaka, taka, 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 ba, 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 ba. Awesome. Is my mic still on? Good. I think it's still on. All right. So as well, the last point into this flicking part is that we have to add a little bit more styling into our upper body. So we have to create this little hopping as well in our chest. Yes. So look, every time I'm going to go down, I'm going to create this slight contraction in my upper body. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So now, make sure that it's not yes, this is not here. This is not in Jive. We'll have no time to do this. So it should be very delicate, very slightly, right? Tsaki, tsaka, tsaki, tsaka, tsaki, tsaka, tsaki, tsaka. All right, so let's see how it will look with the hopping action in our flicking part. Oh my gosh, boosh, doo-doosh. It's pretty hot in here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chigi ba bam. 1, 2, ata, 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 ata. Shoo, jun, zaga da dan. 1, bam, ba bam, ba ba, ba ba, ba ba, ba ba, ba. Zaga da dam. 1, bam, za, ati, katza, kati, katza, za, za ba ba bam. Fantastic, guys. So now let's try all of that to music. Pam para bam pam. Bam. Ba 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 ba. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Sha. Ding ding. Keep it. Za. Za. Ba. Ta ti. Ata. Ata. Ta ta. Okay. And now just click. More. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay, guys, good job today. Well done. So I hope that flicking part is now a little bit more clear. And yes, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was helpful, you know what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about this channel, what would you like to see more. Thank you very much, guys, for your nice comments already, and for those who subscribing and supporting. It's really so encouraging. Thank you very much, and as always, I will see you next Thursday. Goodbye.